Now down the jetty, you're going to get your way to a lot of the activities that you can do. Obviously, I've spoken about the surfing, I've spoken about the diving. This particular experience we went on was fantastic. It was swimming with sharks. Look, my boys got into it. My youngest was a bit afraid, but he did get in the water. My oldest was fine. I was fine. My wife got in the water and swam around for a bit, but she wasn't overly thrilled. She was a bit scared. My daughter really freaked out. So my 11-year-old daughter, 11-year-old at the time, really did freak out. So it's just something to keep in note if you're trying to get your kids involved. There's my young bloke. But it was so cool. It was like being in the middle of an aquarium. The sharks are fine. They come up, they touch you. The stingrays come up and touch you. There were some blacktips around as well. Obviously fish galore. It was possibly the best experience we did in the whole Maldives, I think. It was just such a thrill. And then as part of this tour, after you spend some time with the sharks, you then go snorkeling on just a more general reef break. And all the kids got into that, just looking at the fish and the coral in an atoll, like just right in the middle of the ocean, in the middle of nowhere.